Today's topic is how to style your home interior like a pro. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the Designs K Studio channel, where you can learn about design tutorials for better living. Ever wondered how to make your home look professionally designed without hiring an interior designer? Let's break it down into 10 simple but powerful styling tips that'll totally transform your space. Ready? Let's get started. 1. Understand your interior design style. Before you buy anything, or figure out what style speaks to you. Okay. Are you into modern, minimalist, farmhouse, or maybe a mix? 10. Knowing your core style keeps your space cohesive and intentional. 2. Choose a color palette that flows. Pick a color scheme and stick with it. Go. Neutrals like beige, grey or soft whites are a safe start. But hey, don't be afraid to throw in a bold pop of color for personality. 3. Mix materials and textures. Here's where it gets exciting. Texture is your best friend. Mix soft fabrics with natural elements. Think velvet cushions on a leather sofa or wood with metal text. This adds visual depth and keeps things interesting there. 4. Invest in quality anchor pieces, but spend where it counts. That means your sofa, your bed, your dining table, these are the stars of your space. A quality piece here grounds the whole room. 5. Light it right away. Lighting is everything. Use layers, overhead lighting, floor lamps, task lighting, and mood lighting. It's the quickest way to make your space feel warm, cozy, and inviting. 6. Accessorize with intention. Pillows, rugs, wall art, they add your personality. But don't overdo it. Think curated, not cluttered. 7. Add some greenery. Indoor plants are magic. They make any room feel fresh, alive, and more peaceful. And bonus? They clean the air too. 8. Create a focal point in each room. Your eye needs somewhere to land. It could be a bold piece of art, a fireplace, or even a statement couch. This keeps your room visually organized and balanced. 9. Declutter like a pro. If it doesn't serve a purpose or bring joy, let it go. Clutter distracts from your beautiful design choices. Keep it clean and simple. Go. 10. Add personal touches. Now make it yours. Display travel finds, framed family photos, handmade crafts, whatever tells your story. This turns your house into a home, Maya. Okay, now here are the final thoughts. You don't need a huge budget or fancy credentials to style your home like a pro. Just remember these 10 essentials: style, color, texture, lighting, and heart. Your space should look good, feel great, and tell your story. Which of these tips are you going to try first? Drop a comment and let's talk interior style, and please subscribe, like and share. Click your notification bell for the next educational design tutorials videos. Design SK Studio is the place where you can learn about design tutorials for better living. Thank you for watching.